how to buy the DOGEUS Maximus token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. As you can see, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. Now, to be able to buy this token, make sure to open it on the screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. Now, after that, what you need to do, as you can see, you have this information. This token, it's increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, the liquidity here is 100% locked. That means that your investment in a safe place. Now this token is under Solana network. Now copy the token address and go and open your Phantom wallet. Now click on swap, and now as you can see, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, so this is our token. Click on it. Now here, answer how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and now as you can see, this is how much you receive that token. Now select the provider from here, for example Jupiter, and now read all of this information from here and click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter page to be able to complete the buy process. If you face any issues, just go back to this page and now switch the slip hash from here or custom it, and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the DOGEUS token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.